All right, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Talk about a special day which was not that expensive. So, over to you.
Special days are very important in our life. In my country, people spend a lot of money on different occasions like birthday and marriage. Um, and today I would like to talk about when I did not spend a lot of money on occasion. It is my birthday. Um, I always used to celebrate my birthday at restaurant, but now I decided I celebrated my birthday at home because in these days restaurant rates are very high. Uh, at my birthday date, I woke up early and I bought all things from market. I bought grocery and other ingredients. So I prepared all things at home. My mother is also helped me in
My
this.
mother also helped me.
Helped me, and within a few hours I make all these things.
I made.
Within a few hours I made all these things. When people guests
Came.
came when guests came, they tested the all dishes and they are really appreciate me.
They
And
appreciated me.
they really appreciated me because all things are very
All the things were.
all things were very tasty and delicious. I did not spend more money. I managed it in very small budget.
Okay, thank you so much. Overall, it's fine, but just try to link it with money. Like at the end, you said, I did not spend more money, I managed it within the budget. Try to say that in the middle as well. Mainly, you have grammatical mistakes. Your topic was all past, but you are using somewhere present, somewhere past, somewhere present, somewhere past. So try to learn the tenses, that will actually improve. Now, let's go on. Why do some people go to expensive restaurants to celebrate birthdays?
People go in expensive restaurant because they have a lot of money and they want to fulfill their child wishes. Um,
That's why they go.
that's why they go to an expensive restaurant.
All right, just try to add a couple of sentences. It's much better than before and be confident. You know, after speaking, yeah, I understand. After speaking 5, 6 sentences, you are, oh, hi, it's me speaking English. Okay, so just come out of that thing and be more confident, right? All right, don't worry. इसका इलाज करवाएं. Okay, all right, thank you.
Thank you.